Alright, next video, guys, we're going to do some grilled corn. Just wrap it in full. Put 2 tablespoons of butter in the full. I'm using salted butter, so that way you get a little bit of salt in the butter. Then I'll pepper it. That's all I do. Throw down a little bit of butter on the griddle. I got it on a medium or a low setting on this side. First 2 burners on low, and the far burner away closest to you all is on a medium. Because that is the lower setting side. I want that corn to cook. We don't want this to cook really fast because these are thick pork chops. And I'll tell you how we season them up here in just a second. Got all this butter melted up. I'm kind of do a shallow fry on these. We got our pork chops. Alright, what I did is I took some panko breadcrumbs and some Famous Dave's pork seasoning. Mixed it all into a Ziploc bag. Done an egg wash. And then dumped these into the panko breadcrumbs and Famous Dave's seasoning. Just season them up. We'll try to do an extremely crispy 1-inch thick pork chop. This is a boneless pork chop, so let's see how it turns out. Let these cook for just a little while. Air corn cooking away inside there. Turn that down just a little bit. I guess that's a little bit too hot. Alright, we'll let this cook up and we'll come right back. Alright. Go ahead and give these a good coating of butter spray. Want these breadcrumbs to burn. It's been about 5 minutes. Nice and brown. About as brown as we want to get them, so we'll have to really watch the heat for a little while. Like I said, these are 1-inch thick pork chops. Give our butter a turn, or our corn a turn. Right over there. You want to make sure you know right where you're turning. The reason why I like to do the butter that way, because that pouch will stay there. You know where you turned it and where you haven't. We'll let these cook up for a little while and we'll come right back. Alrighty, we'll give everything a turn. Got it looking good. Yeah. Might move these over here, move them around a little bit. Knocking some of my breading now, trying to move them around. to cook. Come right back. All right, we'll give everything a temperature check. See where we're at. Go with the thickest one. Well, first you gotta turn it on. Might help a little bit. That is at 140, 145. That's done. 147. What's, yep. 145, 147, 145. All right, we're all done. We'll get everything plated up, give it a taste test, and see how everything goes. All right, we'll give everything a temperature check, see where we're at. Go with the thickest one. Well, first you gotta turn it on. Might help a little bit. That is at 140, 145. That's done. 147. What's, yep. 145, 147, 145. All right, we're all done. We'll get everything plated up, give it a taste test, and see how everything goes. All right, we got everything plated up. Our corn, pork chop. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. Shows why we took it off a little early, if I could speak. Put some of this down. Good and pink in the center. Super juicy and tender. Delicious. Got some fresh garden cucumbers. It's awesome. Try our corn. Corn's super juicy and buttery. It's got that buttery flavoring of the what we put it in there in the full. Got the pepper flavor. Awesome. All right, guys, that's going to end today's video. We just hit 20,000 views. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. And like I said, I always try to say, subscribe. That's what I'm needing, is subscribers, guys. Just subscribe. We try to put out at least 2 videos every week. So if you like our content, stick around. Hit that notification bell. I'm gonna kill this fly. And as always, have a nice day.